Sophia. I'm from Philippines. And if you're from Philippines, I'm gonna say Tagalog. Sophia. I'm a biggest fan of Ketsay. If nakita mo na Sophia, please isend niyo po ito sa may office na Ketsay. Tapos may ginawa pa akong gnarly na sayaw. I-check niyo lang po sa page ko, Joanne Botikin. Yan po Ate Sophia. Please po Ate Sophia. Please. Please. Isend niyo na lang po yun. Please. Please po Ate Sophia. Please. I want to meet you. Please. I love Ketsay. And mag-ingat po ikaw dyan kung saan man lugar yan. And pati rin mga teammates mo, mag-ingat-ingat rin po kayo dyan. And we love you. I'm a big fan. And sabi mo kay Daniela, kasing pangalan ko siya. Pangalan ko kasi Daniela JB Sokila. Sige na Ate Sophia. Please. Bye. And of course, I will not forget, please edit me that I just dance the gnarly. Please edit me, guys. Please edit me, guys. Thanks. And I forgot. I love you, Sophia and Megan and Daniela. And Yonche. Yonche or Yonche. Basta, Ate Sophia. I love you.